Hi there, students. A carapace. A carapace. Okay, this is the hard shell over something like a crab. I'm sure you've eaten crabs. And crabs or turtles have this hard shell. And this is the carapace. Okay, it protects the crab. A turtle has a carapace, or a prawn has a carapace as well. So it's a hard exoskeleton that protects the animals, particularly turtles, tortoises, crustaceans like a crab. Some spiders as well have a carapace. But I think the most famous one is the turtle. So carapace, a hard outside shell. But notice we can use this word carapace more figuratively. So we can use this to say that somebody uses something as a method of protection. So my friend always makes jokes about any criticism that comes his way. He always tries to laugh it off as a carapace to his insecurity. Okay, so as a protective method, his arrogance is his carapace against the criticisms of society. He uses rudeness as a carapace to stop people getting close to him, to stop people being friendly. His air of self-confidence is just a carapace to hide his insecurity. Okay, so this word carapace is a really good word to use as a shield from. Maybe you could say his religion is his carapace against the slings and arrows of life. Okay, his shield, his protection. And we all use different things as carapaces to stop ourselves becoming hurt, to stop ourselves becoming upset by the problems in life. Very often, perhaps, we just refuse to accept that things are true. And this is a carapace against the realities of life. Okay, so a carapace, a protective shield. We use all types of things as a carapace. Laughter, or laughing at people, maybe is a carapace to stop them laughing at you. Okay, so a carapace as a shield. Formality. This is quite a formal word. I think I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. Use it in semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, well, we've got carapace in French, a tortoise shell. And well, prior to that, I'm not so sure. Okay, so the carapace, a protective layer. Yeah, science has very often has to find a way to pierce the carapace of public ignorance. Yeah, you have to pierce the carapace of ignorance. Or maybe young people, need to find a way to get out of, to leave the hard carapace of the customs of their elders. Or maybe experience or failed love affairs has left a carapace over his heart, which makes it very difficult to get through to him. So, Carapace, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Carapace.